Hello you dudes, what's going on? I'm doing another hello vlog. Can you tell how long it's been? I'll give you a hint. Look at the size of my hair follicles. But anyways, I just finished a set here in Long Beach. I played another gig. I wish I would have shown it to you guys. These sound guys, we have new sound guys here and they're freaking awesome. They were so much fun. Andy, still love you, man. You're cool as hell. But we had like 3 guys helping out and I was talking to them the whole time and they were like listening and clapping and it was like, the sound sounded great. Everything was cool. I was like really happy. And then like the crowd is kind of big today. Can you tell? It's, you know, it's always hard to tell when you look through the camera. Like right now, can you guys tell? There's like a ton of people here. There's like a bunch of people in line for freaking Superman or something. And then we've got like all the people eating right there. And I don't know, it's crowded as hell. Does it look crowded? Can you guys tell? How you doing? How you doing? Do you want to say hi on the vlog or you want to be anonymous? We're live right now. Do you want to say hello?
Hey, hello, sure.
Hello.
Hey, hello. How you doing?
Introduce.
Paul Anderson.
Paul Anderson?
Paul Anderson back.
Nice to meet you, Paul Anderson.
All right, all right.
Paul Anderson is doing the Riverside Plaza on Saturday. And
Riverside Plaza Saturday night.
Sounds good, man. And they did sound, and that was the sound guy, and it was awesome. It was great. And well, what else can I tell you? I want a bean and cheese burrito, but I got one in the fridge right now, and it's like 3 days old. And I'm not even sure if I should eat it or not. So you guys tell me. In fact, I mean, by the time you see this, I'll have eaten it already, probably, or thrown it away. So you tell me if I look sick in the next vlog, and then we'll see what happens. But yeah, and then something interesting happened here. Let me show you real fast. I got my signs, right? And usually, you guys have seen these before. Usually there's like boxes, and it's like up and all the shit's in a box, right? But this time I was low on time because it's been a while since I came here on a Friday during rush hour, during the early set, so I got jacked by traffic. Didn't have enough time to set up all my table, or the recording stuff. That's why I can't show you today's gig, because I thought like, new sound guy, something's gonna go wrong, it's not gonna sound good, and also I'm out of time, so I just didn't film it. I didn't realize it was gonna go so well. That's the story of my life, you guys. Story of my life. With music and girls, anyway. So, I ended up laying the signs like on the table, and then just like, see all that cash? Yeah, I'm rich, I got a 5. But hold on, let me get this here. I put like, you know, some CDs on the side and my cards and stuff right there, and I kind of feel like that looks cooler than the boxes. What do you guys think? Let me know if it looks cooler or if it looks dumber. I think it looks better because it was easier too, and shit doesn't blow down in the wind anymore. But sold a few CDs, so that's good news, and got some tips and stuff like that. And you know, you're like one of the only musicians that I know of that like has the table correctly. Like, and nobody else has a table, man. It's like, it's an income. You get some money. You get some fans. All the musicians out there, you gotta have a table, man. You gotta do a table. You gotta put your CDs out. You gotta put your show dates, business card to your website. There's like one guy, did I tell you guys about this dude? He sort of sounds like Michael Jackson. Like, he has this high-pitched singing voice. He can do all these like cool things with his voice. Like, he's just really good. And sometimes he'll just like do a spin, like dance while he's, hey, how'd you guys like that? And freaking guy, like, for the longest time, he didn't even have a table. And then eventually he got a table. It was like a jar. It's like a table jar. There was like no information or CDs or anything. And I'm like, dude, you're like twice as talented as me, and I'm getting like 10 times more money than you. That sounds like life though, doesn't it? You guys? That's life. It's not even my goal to be the most talented musician. It's my goal to be the sneakiest musician. As long as I get cash. Oh God. I literally was trying to hide the fact that I was burping from those people walking by, and all I ended up doing was burping on you. I'm sorry, YouTube. What time is it? 4 minutes? I think that's it. So thank you guys for listening. See, it is crowded. See, there's people. There's people in the Zen buffet or whatever. So thank you guys for watching and listening. Subscribe and tell your friends. Tell your friends. Make them watch it. Slap them on the face until they watch it. Hold your wee-wee in their face and tell them you're not taking the wee-wee away from their face until they watch this video. Then after they watch the video, just slap them with like a hot dog and scare the crap out of them. But thanks for your support, and I hope you guys don't get diarrhea, dudes. See you later. Subscribe, comment, and share, and stuff.